she's so tender, she's just falling apart.
Basically, we're thickening up the sauce at this point
That's all we're doing.
and concentrating the flavors.
Curries, you know, curries. Yeah, curry. You can make curry in a hurry, but let me tell you, it's not going to taste anything like this. This is 100% authentic Thai cuisine right here. Get on a plane, pay $2,500 for a ticket in one direction, and you can spend 25 hours stuck next to 4 big giant dudes that can't keep their gas in their ass. Or you can just make this at home with our ingredients and enjoy a little taste of the Thai flavor right here in your own kitchen. Gorgeous. She is almost done now. She's really thickening up fast here, guys. Look at that. Really, if you just keep giving it a good mix right in the corner, keep it moving. The idea is to keep it moving. Look at that. I like to use these soup ladles, you know. These ladles are awesome for using in the wok. Helps really push around the meat, around your ingredient.
Get the right curvature for the
You know, I like to have one with a longer handle though, because this is cast iron.
heat.
Yeah, it's a cast iron wok. It's not your regular stainless steel wok. This is cast. It's hot.